Come in!
Hey, Tsunade!
Oh, Jiraiya, it's you. What do you want?
Good news. I've pinpointed the Akatsuki leader's location.
What? Are you sure? Tell me.
Hey, calm down. Let me explain it to you in order.
I see. The Hidden Rain Village.
Apparently, the Akatsuki leader, who goes by the name Pain, is being worshipped there.
But why did it have to be the Hidden Rain Village of all places?
I know. That place holds a lot of memories for me, too.
The Third Great Ninja War. The Hidden Rain Village was where we earned the title of Legendary Sannin.
And it was there that I met those three.
But according to my sources, the village has been torn in two by an ongoing civil war.
That village is very secretive. They make it hard for outsiders to know what exactly is going on in there. The truth never reaches the outside. Just like with this civil war and the Akatsuki leader, right?
But I wasn't under the impression that it was the sort of village where the Akatsuki leader could just walk around in the open.
Exactly. That's why I'm going undercover to check things out first.
Undercover? That's ridiculous. It's too dangerous alone.
I'm an expert at infiltration. There's no need to worry.
Just come back alive.
Huh. Who do you think I am? I'm one of the legendary Sannin.
Anything happens, you'll send word via Toad, all right? I'll come right away.
No thanks. You stay put. I'm worried about the behavior of the Foundation. You should keep your mind on that.
Jiraiya.
Huh. I'm leaving the rest up to you, Tsunade. Well then.
Please, make it back alive.
What is it, Pain?
Someone has circumvented my reign. From the field of his chakra, he's a threat.
What will you do?
That's obvious. I kill anyone that stands in my way.
So that means...
Yes. I must prepare myself. Meanwhile, I'm leaving things in your hands, Conan.
Understood.
I've successfully infiltrated the Hidden Rain Village. The rain. I can't help but remember my time with those three. Yahiko, Conan, and Nagato. The days I spent living with those 3 war orphans. Those days are long past, but they sure were special. Years ago, I heard that they died as a result of some dispute. Of course, there's no way to know whether there's any truth in that. I'd like to see them again, if they're still alive. Well, enough reminiscing. I should get to work. Can't wait to get a look at this Pain character.
It is I, the Toad Sage of Mount Nyoboku, Jiraiya!
Mission stuck.
Getting in unnoticed is only the first step of a successful infiltration. Now comes the hard part. Guess I'll have to comb the area. This village sure has poor visibility.
Intruder! Intruder alert!
They found me, and here I was thinking I'd handled that very well.
Don't let him get away! Catch him!
Catch me? Maybe I'll capture one of you instead. If I hand him over to Tsunade, I'm sure she could get some information out of him. All right, I'll aim for the squad leader.
You may have snuck your way in, but you're not getting out alive!
I'm not finished yet! Take that! Take that! Take that! Take that! Earth! Dark!
It seems they're better trained than I thought.
Stunning jutsu! Take that! Stunning
Watch this! Rage dance of Jiraiya the Gallows!
Rasengan! Take that!
It seems they're better trained than I thought.
Fire style! Leap off! I'm not finished yet! All right!
Those who disturb the hidden rain village will not be forgiven.
Take that!
You may have snuck your way in, but you're not getting out alive!
Fire style! Leap off! I'm not finished yet!
Now there's an impressive move. Not bad if I say so myself.
Fire style! Leap on! I'm not finished yet! All right!
Those who disturb the hidden rain village will not be forgiven.
All right, bring the ninja I just captured to Tsunade. Understand? So far, so good.
Hey, how dare you take our comrade?
Whoa, there are more of you? Okay, I better find Pain quickly.
Fire style! Leap on! I'm not finished yet! All right!
Watch this! Rage Dance of Jiraiya the Gallant!
You're strong. I guess I should expect nothing less from one of the Sanin.
I was looking for a man named Pain. I never thought I'd be seeing you, Conan. I thought you were dead.
I can't let you get to him. I have orders from him. I must kill you.
If you're alive, does that mean the other two aren't dead either?
It doesn't concern you anymore, Sensei.
Wait, Conan! Hide and seek. Feels just like the old days, but I don't have time to play around now. Come on out already, Conan.
I won't let you get to the god.
Take that! Take that! Fire style! Leap on! I'm not finished yet! All right!
It seems they're better trained than I thought.
Fire style! Leap on! I'm not finished yet! All right!
Now there's an impressive move. Not bad if I say so myself.
Fire style! Leap on! I'm not finished yet! All right!
You're strong. I guess I should expect nothing less from one of the Sanin.
Fire style! Leap on! I'm not finished yet! All right!
Watch this! Rage Dance of Jiraiya the Gallant!
Those who disturb the hidden rain village will not be forgiven.
It seems they're better trained than I thought.
Take that! Take that! Take that!
Watch this! Rage Dance of Jiraiya the Gallant!
What do you want showing up here?
This wasn't my intention. If you all hadn't been part of the Akatsuki, I thought you were dead. I never imagined it would come to this.
This match is about to be decided!
Such magnificent jutsu. And what's more, you've become quite a catch, Konan. You were a special, gentle child who loved origami. Who is this Pain figure?
There's no need to tell someone who's about to die.
So which of the other two is Pain?
This does not concern you, Sensei.
I guess I have no choice but to defeat you and find out. What happened to you three after that?
Knowing the truth won't benefit you, Sensei. We were given new purpose by his ideas. No one can stop us.
It seems there's no doubt about it. It's gotta be one of them.
Retreat for the time being, Konan.
Wait, Konan! You're wrong! Don't you understand that?
Summoning Jutsu! Fire style! Leap off! I'm not finished yet!
Those who disobey the god are brought down by his justice. You're strong. I guess I should expect nothing less from one of the Sannin.
Fire style! Leap off! I'm not finished yet!
You're wrong! Don't you understand that?
Take that! Take that!
Explain to me what happened.
It's time to put an end to this.
Konan.
We follow the god's orders and fight in his name.
God, huh? Do you think you're so cold? God is doing the right thing.
That's not up to me to decide.
Seems like there's nothing left of the sweet girl you used to be. How very sad.
You're strong. Just what I'd expect from you, Sensei.
Konan.
Mission complete.
There's no escaping now, Konan. What is it that changed you so much?
Sensei, you know nothing about what happened to us afterwards.
That's true. But what I do know is that what the Akatsuki is doing is wrong. You should know better. So, why? Why the Akatsuki?
It is a conclusion I reached on my own, Jiraiya-sensei. It's been a while, Jiraiya-sensei.
Your outward appearance has changed a bit, but from those eyes of yours, it's really you who is in pain, Nagato.